Everyone already knows how to create AI stories and images. That part is easy now. But the moment you try to turn those images into videos, everything seems to fall apart. Why? Because there are no truly good free tools. Most free platforms either take forever to produce low-quality videos, add ugly watermarks, or limit you to just 1 or 2 videos before your credits run out. After that, you feel frustrated and honestly, like quitting. But you don't need to quit anymore. In this video, you learn how to write the perfect prompt for converting images into videos, 3 premium-level AI tools that create high-quality, watermark-free videos, how to generate videos quickly and without limits, and how to create unlimited free accounts on Runway ML. Watch this till the end because, if you don't, you'll keep repeating the same mistakes and miss the easiest path forward. Step 1. Learn how to write image-to-video prompts. Most people fail at image-to-video because they use generic prompts or write a few random lines. When the AI doesn't know how the image should move, the result is never what you expect. So the first skill you must master is prompt writing for image-to-video conversion. Here's the simplest method. Go to ChatGPT, type something like, lines, give you a few lines. Generate an image-to-video prompt based on those lines. This tells ChatGPT exactly what you want. Next, look at your image and decide what movement should happen. What story should the video tell? For example, you have an image of a king on a horse. If you want motion, don't describe the image, describe the action. Type something like, a king on a horse moving forward toward a forest. ChatGPT will instantly generate a detailed video prompt. Want changes? Just describe them. Better prompts equals better videos. Simple. Step 2. First, image to video website, no watermark. Now let us convert an image into a video step by step. Go to the website and click Launch App, click Sign Up, use a temporary email, copy the OTP sent to your temp mail, and paste it, set a username. If there's an error, add your name plus a 7 to 8-digit number, click Done, your account is created, and you receive 1,000 free credits. Creating a video. Click Video, generate, select Image to Video, upload your image, paste your video prompt, choose the model, use Kling Pro for best quality, click Generate. In about 2 to 3 minutes, your video will be ready. No watermark, high quality. If you don't like it, regenerate. Each account allows 2 videos, but you can create unlimited accounts daily using temporary emails. Step 3. Second website, VPN required before visiting the second site. Turn on a VPN, click Create. Now choose Sign in, gives continue with email, sign up using a temp mail, paste the OTP, select age 18 plus, close any pop-ups. You receive around 120 credits, may vary by country. Creating a video. Click AI video, upload your image, paste your prompt, select video 3.0 model, choose video duration, click Generate. Generation time depends on server load, sometimes fast, sometimes slower. The result looks great, but this video has a watermark. Don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it later. Each account allows 2 videos, again, unlimited accounts. Step 4. Third tool, Google's AI video platform. Now, disconnect your VPN. Go to Google AI Studio. Your account is created automatically. Click Generate Media, select VEO, choose VEO. To set results, 1 aspect ratio duration, upload your image, paste your prompt, click Run. Sometimes it fails due to heavy traffic. Just click Run again until it works. It may take several tries. Once generated, no watermark, extremely high quality, no credit system. Google released this to improve their models, so enjoy it while it's free. Step 5. Unlimited free accounts on Runway ML. Go to Runway ML, click Get Started, sign up using a generated email, enter username, password, name, paste OTP from email, skip pop-ups. You'll get 125 credits. Each video costs 25 credits. Go to the dashboard, gives image to video, gives generate. Repeat with new accounts for unlimited usage. Step 6. Removing watermarks, bonus for videos with watermarks. Use Media.io. Create an account, no OTP required. Go to AI products, select video watermark remover, upload the video, paint over the watermark, click remove object watermark, removed in seconds. Each account allows watermark removal for 5 videos. Final thoughts. Now you know how to write perfect image to video prompts, how to use 3 powerful AI platforms, how to remove watermarks, and how to generate unlimited videos for free from image gives prompt, gives video, gives clean output, everything covered. No more frustration, no more limits, you're fully equipped now.